Where?
Down ground level, far right corner of their spawn. He's peeking right on the corner right at us. You can shoot over this if you can see.
Tall. I wish I was short. I want to get down, but I can't. We got a riot shield straight down this hallway.
Alright, let's take him out.
Pushing up.
Alright, keep eyes on him.
Oh, they're coming, they're coming.
Alright, let's take him out.
Right there, right there, right there. Straight ahead. Riot shield and someone else.
Hey, you guys pushing on the ramp. Watch your right. You got a riot shield coming. He's coming.
They're here!
Are you out? Stand up then. Alright, push up, ready.
Oh, they out?
Yep, push up the next structure. Go.
Clear!
Alright. Watch the windows on the far left. I think we're good. Push up right behind Brody, dude. Stack up behind him so you're covered. You guys are good. Push up and go left. Go left. Left. Other left.
Coming up, one's coming up. There's also one diagonal first floor.
Shooting at us?
They're shooting from the corner.
Okay. Shooting up at us?
Yeah, if you shot that last guy, there was like 6 more around the corner.
Oh.
Yep, they're on the far left side of
Yo,
this.
blue shirt, you can get him!
Like peek back and forth with me.
Yeah. In the window in front of you!
What? So that guy still
Nice job!
All right, they're starting to push across the hallway towards us over here, guys.
I don't see anyone.
He's about halfway. Yep, come to me.
Where do you see it? They can see it. Oh, is that a green? No, that's green.
Shoot him.
No, that's green. It's green.
It's not. There's guys down low on their spawn, ground level. You can't even see them. Ready, go over here. Crouch down and point your, look through that little crack.
Right there?
Yep. Point your gun through it.
Oh, we got green down there.
Hey, watch your right. Green on the spawn. Watch your right.
Where's the flag? Oh, got green on the spawn. Is that orange or green?
I'm peeking this right here. Move up with me. Yep. You just went up the ramp over there.
Oh, it's the right heel on the ramp. Right?
Hey, they're up high across from us.
They're coming up the ramp. Let's get 4 coming up the ramp.
Reloading.
Oh, what the fuck? I shoot him and then he raises his hand. That's gay.
They're pushing across towards our spawn.
Sorry.
Don't worry about our back, dude. We're gonna. Brody, on me. Yep. Where the fuck do you hit from? sitting in the fucking spawn, you little shit. I need backup over here.
Where are they?
They're at the end of the hallway. They're all in the other. We need it. Can't let them flank us down this long hallway up here on the left.
Yeah, I know.
We gotta push to the end of that. Move up to us, guys. We gotta control that corner. Can you push up and cover that?
I'll follow.
Go.
Oh my god. John,
What?
two people.
Up higher or down low?
Both.
All right, watch that long hallway.
Yo, watch long hallway. And low hallway.
I'll get you back to you. You want to go grab that flag? Yep.
Watch your back, green hat. They can come up the ramp behind you. Hey, me and you, let's take this ramp right here. I got this ramp.
There's people there.
Sorry, dude.
Is that the ghillie guy?
That ain't your spawn. Here, on me.
I'm not shooting.
You out of ammo?
Yeah.
Are you out of ammo? Look in the face. You're dead.
Oh. Didn't know they're trying.
Oh, come out. That was me. Where?
Look through here, look through here. Hey, come to me, come to me. Get him. Push him, push him. Push it, push it.